How did Asimov's laws of robotics expand with the Zeroth law? Imagine a robot that not only follows rules to keep humans safe but also considers the well-being of all humanity. That's where the Zeroth law comes into play. Isaac Asimov created the original 3 laws of robotics to make sure robots acted safely and obeyed humans. The first law says a robot must not hurt a human or let harm happen through inaction. The second law states a robot must obey human commands unless it conflicts with the first law. The third law says a robot should protect itself as long as it does not break the first 2 laws. These rules kept robots focused on individual human safety and obedience. But Asimov realized that sometimes protecting one person might harm many others. So he added the Zeroth law, which says a robot may not harm humanity, or, by not acting, allow humanity to come to harm. This law takes priority over the original 3, meaning a robot might have to disobey a human or risk harming itself if it prevents a bigger threat to all humans. The Zeroth law broadens the robot's moral scope from just one person to everyone. It introduces a new level of decision-making, where robots must weigh the good of humanity against individual requests. For example, a robot might have to refuse a harmful order from a person if following it would cause widespread damage. This creates tricky ethical puzzles, which Asimov explored in his stories. From a robotics fundamentals point of view, the Zeroth law shows how rules can evolve from simple safety measures to complex ethical guidelines. It signals a move toward thinking about long-term and global impacts rather than just immediate safety. Although these laws are fictional, they influence real discussions about robot ethics and artificial intelligence. The Zeroth law pushes us to consider how future machines might need to balance individual rights with the needs of society as a whole. So, in simple terms, Asimov's laws expanded by adding the Zeroth law to prioritize the welfare of all humanity, making robot ethics more layered and thoughtful.